It's insane. It's got crazy amounts of power. The torque on it, I mean, I can use it for what I used to use a 1/2 inch for.
This thing here, I just grab it, grab some sockets, and you're done in 5 minutes. The amount of time it would take me to grab all the air tools and airline out.
The benefit of the mid torque would be that you can have a tool that's easier to carry around, easier to use, and has the power and ability to get bolts off that are rusted tight.
For our needs, when it goes into a 2x6 treated plate, it's got plenty of torque. I mean, it'll actually recess the nut if we have to.
I'll use it to fasten bolts on wheels, bolts on undercarriages for tractors, engine mounting type bolts that I may have to torque after, and I'm not going to over torque it with that tool. 3-mode drive control is nice because you have 3 settings. Number 3 is what I'll use most of the time to remove a fastener, but when I go and put something back together, I'll usually turn it down to at least 1 or 2.
With being able to adjust it, I mean, you could pull a 1/4 inch bolt up to a 3/4 inch bolt with no problem. Now you don't need 3 different tools, you got it all in one.
The durability has been great on it, and the 3/8 inch is so much nicer, so much more compact for us. It fits construction for carpentry well.
It's probably one of the best Milwaukee tools I've used yet.
The power of the new fuel impact is great. You're able to do all the jobs very easily with it. It drills very fast.
Well, the new Milwaukee Impact was really fast. The screws go in really, really nicely.
The new fuel impact is compact and it's really nice for carrying it with us and getting in between studs.
The new fuel impact works great for us. It powers through everything. Even with its smaller size, it gets through everything that we need it to do.
The new fuel impact has plenty of power.
It has different speed settings, which makes it a very versatile tool.
It works very smoothly. The batteries usually last us all day.
It's a great tool. It's small, it's compact, it's powerful.
I'm impressed. New impact will definitely do the job.
Introducing Shockwave Impact Duty Red Helix Titanium Drill Bits from Milwaukee. New Red Helix Titanium Drill Bits are the most durable and best performing bits on the market, delivering up to 3 times longer life than black oxide. These bits feature a 1/4 inch hex shank for use with an impact driver or drill. A 135-degree split point on the tip of the bit prevents walking on the material as you start drilling. Milwaukee Red Helix titanium drill bits feature a chip breaker that breaks material around the cutting edge to reduce heat buildup. The broken down material is rapidly ejected through a new innovative variable helix design. The angle of the helix has been optimized to bite into material as you start drilling. As the bit plunges further into the material, the angle of the helix becomes more aggressive to rapidly remove material. Shockwave Impact Duty Red Helix Titanium Drill Bits are the most durable and best performing bits on the market. From Milwaukee.
fuel sawzall cut just as fast as any other one, if not a little bit faster than most that I've used, and was still comfortable and not hard on your hands and your arms to use. Convenient to grab something cordless and know it's going to have plenty of power and the ability to do what you need it to do. And it's something that I would use on a daily basis.
The fuel saw has more power than even a cord-connected saw. It's comparable in weight, and it made a nice straight cut. Seems to last a long time for the fact that it's a battery saw. And it's certainly more convenient not having to drag around a cord.
Had power and cut through everything from wood to steel, better than the cordless sawzall that we have. The speed of cut seemed to be a lot faster. The batteries lasted longer.
It cut right through everything that we were cutting. The steel rebar, 2x4s, didn't matter. Cut right through it. And it felt sturdier and really felt well built when you're using it. It's definitely more mobile. You don't have to drag around the cord. You don't have to be near a power source. It's a total advantage as far as setup time and getting the job done.
The fuel sawzall is very aggressive, it was very powerful, cut was superb, cut right through it, even the hardest materials. Cordless is great, the battery life is outstanding. It'll outwork any other sawzall that I've ever used.
Milwaukee has designed the axe with Carbide T Sawzall blades for the most demanding applications you encounter on the job site. These groundbreaking new blades deliver 1,000 more cuts and 30 times longer life. Cut through wood, nails, screws, or shingles 2 times faster than competitive blades. Learn more at MilwaukeeTool.com.
The power in the new fuel circ saw is just as good, if not more, than a corded saw.
With the fuel circ saw, I have no problem cutting anything that I would cut with a corded saw. It cut right through the LVLs, no problem. It didn't slow it down at all. I'll cut 2x4s with it all day long.
You just can't say enough about the power of it. I mean, when you're a carpenter, you're looking for power when you need it to cut. It's definitely got all the power it needs.
I just really like how it cuts fast and cuts straight. The new Milwaukee fuel circ saw is all about speed.
The new 12.0 battery lasts all day.
The 12.0 battery gives a tool plenty of power throughout the whole day.
The new fuel circ saw is very heavy duty, nice, compact, tight, strong, feels good in my hand. That's what we need out here.
Oh, it's heavy duty, it's great.
Changed the way we work big time. You're not going to beat the power and the mobility of it. Definitely is the game changer.
Grab the saw and cut and go. I mean, you can't beat it.